Hello everyone. In this video, we're going a step further in Linux. We'll learn how to search for files, check their content, manage running processes, and work with file permissions effectively. First, let's see how to find a file using the find command. For example, find /home-nametest.txt. This command lets you locate files anywhere on your system quickly. Very useful when you have many directories. Next, and to search inside a file, we use grep. For example, grep root /etc/passwd. It shows all lines containing the word root. This is very helpful for checking logs or configuration files. For large files, less allows scrolling easily. Use head to see the first lines. For example, head n5 file.txt. And tail to see the last lines. Or tail n10 file.txt. Now, let's check running programs. With PSO, you can list all active processes for a live view of CPU and memory usage. Type top. These commands help monitor your system and understand what is running. If a program freezes on, stop it with kill. For example, kill 1, 2, 3, 4. If it still doesn't close, force it using kill-9. This is useful for stuck processes. Every file in Linux has an owner and permissions. Change permissions with chmod. For example, chmod 755 script.sh. Check your current user with whoami. Some extra tips: history shows past commands. Man opens the manual. For example, man ls and echo prints text or writes it to a file. For example, echo hello Linux. That's it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with new Linux tips. Also, turn on notifications so you never miss any of our videos. We share fresh Linux and tech content every week.